Can we sleep with the light on? Because at the home, we always sleep with the light on.
Okay, we'll sleep with the light on. Satisfied? I don't want to hear another sound tonight, okay? Good night.